This facility processes over 5,000 tons of material every day, a critical step in sustainable manufacturing.
All right, bring that load over here. Watch the left side.
Roger that. Moving it now.
Make sure it clears the intake on the swing.
Woo! Yeah, looks heavy.
Attention workers, remember to separate the mixed materials carefully. Ensure no contaminants reach the mainstream.
Ensure the specific gravity is stabilized before engaging the feeders.
When the supply chain calls, these rigs answer, moving the heaviest loads across the state.
This pallet is clear for Bay 2. Get it moving.
Roger that. Rolling now.
Centrifuge 7 initiated. Spin cycle accelerating to optimal velocity.
The sorting process is fully automated at this stage. These materials are now heading to the refinement center for further processing.
This magnet catches any stray metal, guaranteeing the purity of the recycled plastic.
Keep them coming. We're almost through this batch.
All right, next pallet ready to go.
Operating at 500 RPM, the helical rotor ensures precision sizing, turning scrap into reusable material.
Maintenance team report to Sector 4 immediately.
Sample 7B, blue viscous liquid. Purity analysis confirms 99.8%. Ready for batch processing.
Stabilizing the container now. The measurements are confirmed. The bright signal red polypropylene strands are cooled, dried by the air wipe, and then precisely cut into 3 by 4 millimeter cylindrical pellets. Reading confirmed. Delta E is 0.25.
Hose is connected on the clamp side. Pressure looks good here. All right, closing the mold now.
Check the alignment on that sprue.
Looks good. Clearing the flash now.
Data stabilized. 15.25 millimeters. 12.01 millimeters.
Calibration sequence complete on Unit 7. Proceeding to stress test Phase 2. Maintain traverse speed at 80 millimeters per second. Ensure full surface coverage. The weight is within tolerance for the RAL 3001 model. Lateral load test initiated. Reading steady at 50 newtons. The stack is stable. As the turn Another pallet ready. The film tension is perfect on the lower stacks. Attention all personnel. Ensure safety protocols are followed at the palletizing station. Shift ends at 1800 hours. We invert the chair, ensuring the legs face upward, then secure it with the die-cut corrugated top cap. Attention all personnel. Line 3 requires immediate quality control inspection. The automated labeling system ensures precision placement on every recycled plastic chair carton.
Palletizing sequence active. Please maintain a safe distance from the operational area.
Make sure that's secure before it moves to staging.
Already scanned, boss.
Hold steady on that side.
In Bay 4, Level 2.
Lateral pull test complete. Rigidity
Acknowledge the delay in Sector 7. Adjust the routing algorithm to compensate and notify the primary stakeholders.
Bay 4 is clear, backing in now. We need that pallet of red chairs secured for dispatch immediately.
All the paperwork is in order. Delivered to the North Depot by 0800 hours.
Confirmed.
Confirmed. Calibration complete. The weight is stable.
We need to verify the batch numbers on the RAL 300 chairs before shipment.
I've already cross-referenced the manifest. Everything looks correct.
That's the last pallet of the red ones going out today.
Good, we need the space for the next run. All right, the production figures are finalized. Send this report down to the floor manager.
Attention all personnel. New shipment of recycled toothbrush chairs arriving at loading bay 3.
This video has been created for educational purpose using AI tools. The script and ideas have been inspired by publicly available information and competitor concepts and have been rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations have been generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing has been done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is for informational purpose only and does not present AI visual as real footage.